want to enchant the pickaxe. We can enchant the pickaxe. Oh my god. Oh yes. I want to do that. Oh man, this pickaxe is gonna be so handy. I love pickaxe. I love my pickaxe. I love my pickaxe. I love. Do that and then soldier. We'll just do a leisure. We have so much.
Reached. Discuss the ongoing hostilities. Like the rest of the great warriors.
Oh, I'm grabbing the fucking top.
Sorry about that, guys. My brother. He's gonna make me rage one day. Okay. Now. Oh, our orcish bow now. What we can do for this, we can do fire damage. And we will enchant it for 6. Wait. Yeah, we'll just do 6. Then soldier. Common soldier. Enchant that. We're doing lots of enchanting, aren't we, guys? Gold sapphire ring. What can we do with this? Oh, we can make our. Oh, we'll do health with this. We want to have just so much health. Oh, that's magica. Okay, guys, we just did a lot of stuff. 190. What? What? God sapphire. Increase your health by 6 points. 6 points. How was that 6? By 13. Some good stuff there. Oh yeah, we got that now. And we got that. Okay. Wow, that was a lot of time we just used just enchanting. $190. So if we take 170. So that increased. These two increase our stuff by. So those two increase our stuff by, that's 6. So that can both increases our health by 20. So that's 170 from 190. So yeah, that's good. Oh, look at me and Linda. We're just so boss. I might ask Linda to marry me. I might settle down. Oh, being an adventurer is very drowning. I might ask her to marry me. Oh, the joys of getting married and having an Accordion son, and I will teach him and I will tell him stories about me blacksmithing and adventuring and me. I'll teach him how to blacksmith. Oh, the joy I would have. But we are still adventuring people, and we cannot stop adventuring. So, okay, we need to get there. Wait, do we have any other side quests? You know what, we'll just keep on going for the main quest. And where do we have to go there? We have to go there. So we'll quick travel to Dawnstar, then we'll travel there, shall we, guys? I think we shall. Who knows what else? Just like ebony freaking bow and arrow. When we're more organized, guys, we will make some more. We will make some more stuff for Linda, but we're not that organized right now. We're just trying to keep the series entertaining. You know what, guys? We'll have one episode of just. Okay, I figured out what we can do. I'll just have one whole episode of me just doing everything. Like, it's not gonna be an episode of like adventuring or anything. It's just gonna be one whole episode of me just smithing stuff, like for Linda and for me and all that, and buying stuff and enchanting and just getting myself organized and all that. And then, so that's what I'm gonna do, guys. That seems pretty good to do. Sounds good to use. Oh shit, got off track. I gotta end the video here. Hey guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. It does a lot. If you dislike this video, maybe you can give me some advice saying I can make my videos better. And if you really like these videos, guys, hit that subscribe button. It does a lot. Okay, see you guys.